How to load a miscellaneous cell. This is usually the end of the truck. All the items you might have forgot about. Start with base pieces, grills, and sturdier items. Lighter items will go on top of your base. Make sure you pad the grill and base items to protect the other items from dirt and debris. Make adjustments as you need to fit items nicely. This is like putting together a jigsaw puzzle. All the pieces will fit one way or another. Make sure to tie down the final load to secure the items from shifting. Load your dollies and any extra moving supplies. Lift and push the ramp into the guided slot. Shut and lock the door.